Hey, good afternoon. It's Todd with B&B Manufacturing. Today we're going to take you through the plant and show you how we make stainless steel roller chain sprockets. Come with me. Since we're featuring stainless steel roller chain sprockets for the month, we thought we'd give you an opportunity to see how they're made in the plant. First off, when we start to make roller chain sprockets, we got to start with raw material. So we start with raw bar stock, 303, 304 stainless or 400 series, whatever your requirement is. We start off with the raw bar stock and then put it through the saws, and we cut them into slugs or feed the bar stock right into the CNCs. All right, now we're starting to saw the product into different slugs, and you can see that we've got slugs made here, and the saw is cutting them as we go. So next step in the manufacturing process is that we got to take that raw material or we got to turn it. Got to either drill it, tap it for the taper board, depending on what kind of bushing it has, and that's done in either the bar fed machine or the CNC that we can chuck up to. Taking the roller chain sprockets and we're putting them into the CNC. Once it comes out of the CNC machine, you can see that we've got the different chain rows, we've got the hub, and we're ready to go into hobbing the teeth. All right, after the sprockets have come out of the CNC machine and they've had the chain rows turned, we go to the hob. So with hobbing, you can see here, we're cutting the teeth into the roller chain sprocket. So from there, we're on to the next step. So one of the last processes in manufacturing a roller chain sprocket is we typically go through the black oxide dip here. It's a 900-gallon capacity, so it gives it a little bit of corrosion resistance, but also makes the raw machining look a lot better. Final step, product's done, completely manufactured, put in a box, labeled, and sending it out to our customers. Another satisfied customer. Thanks for joining us to see how we manufacture stainless steel roller chain sprockets at B&B. Keep in mind, we've got over $20 million worth of finished goods inventory for you to take care of your customers with. And we do also have 60% of our business that's custom made to order. So if you can dream it, we can make it. Thanks.